Hi, I'm Brian Owicki, Vice President of Operations for the Somerset Patriots. So the controls of this whole Ephesus system has really made my life a lot easier because wherever I am, I could be down the right field line, I could be in the basement, I could be sitting at my desk. You know, he's like, hey, flip the lights on real quick. All right, cool. And I just go on my phone, flip the lights on. It's made so many things very convenient. I think the lighting comes into play for the players because of they want to, everything's clarity. They're getting crystal clear shots all the time from every single angle. And that's hugely important to these guys right now. One of the big reasons why we went with such a high-end lighting spec on the system is to make sure that footage came out crystal clear. So our fan experience here at TD Bank Ballpark is important, as it is to every minor league baseball team. You want to have a cool experience for your fans in every facet of the game. One of the really cool features now that we love with these lights is when we hit a home run. I mean, we've got this really cool home run scene. There's a paparazzi setting which kind of flashes all the lights or through the flash bulbs going off, and then we have the RGB colors, and they pinwheel and make all kinds of cool colors, and it's just awesome when the guys hit a home run. Because that's what they do at Yankee Stadium too. So that made us feel good that when we saw that, and we had some really good feedback. That hey, that made a big league experience for these guys that are here in AA baseball here in Somerset, which is great.